Hey guys, we are back with another video, and today I'm just going to be basically doing another update video. Hopefully soon we'll get everything figured out and get the car ready to go for car season, but as of right now we're not looking too good. As you can see, the bumper's sitting on the ground. But as you can see, we got the chin spoiler on, the front splitter on, so that's on. So yeah, hopefully you guys will be able to see that soon. But I was trying to put the braces on for the lower grill, these, and I couldn't get this screw out because it's like cross-threaded or stripped inside this the little thing that the clip for it or whatever inside. So I'm gonna have to probably grind that out and figure that out. So that's the first issue. And go on down here, the Wickerbill, one of these the spoiler, one of these rib nuts I couldn't get in. So, and I wasted a crap ton of them because I was still learning how to do it and screwed them up a million times. So I had to order more of those. So more of those, we have to wait on those. And then this one, the rib nut went through into the spoiler. So that's where we're at with that one right now. So yeah, lots of fun. As you can see here, here's all the rivets I screwed up, so you can attack me in the comments. I screwed up that many times. And so I ordered more, which are on the way. So hopefully we'll get that figured out. Whatever, but yeah, I showed those in the last video. So yeah, those are the two things that are going on right now that we are dealing with. So hopefully those will be figured out soon, and we will get this thing ready to go. Pretty annoying, but stuff happens. So get those figured out. Just a quick update video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll get some cool content coming soon. It's about to start getting nice finally, so that's great. So we'll get some cool car content coming for you guys pretty soon. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.